Guys, so today I just wanted to do a video of like solving a Rubik's Cube, because I've been doing that lately. And yeah, so I'm gonna be solving this one. It's the Diane Zanchi. It's that one. I don't know which one it is. But yeah, so I'm gonna scramble them up really quick, and I'll do a review on this one sometime later. Okay, you guys, so I'm back, and here I scrambled up the cube. I'm not that good of a scrambler, so I just kind of moved it around and whatnot. Okay, so sorry about that. I had to pause the video really quick. I had to do some stuff. Okay, so let's just start, I guess. Now, I actually don't solve it like most people do. I solve it in a few ways that some don't, and it might sound weird saying, like, hearing that, but that's how I learned how to solve it. Like, I learned how to solve it halfway beginners, halfway Fredericks. I forgot how to pronounce the last name, so sorry about that. I'm going slow because my hands have been hurting lately, because I have, and I've just been doing a lot of activities lately, so like I'm moving into the basement, I'm just doing all this stuff. I don't know what I did. Fuck. Sorry about the cursing, I'm just kind of frustrated right now, because I hate it when I mess up. And there we go. That's also another way to solve it. You just take it apart and leave it.